In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove order history on Amazon Pay. While Amazon doesn't let you permanently delete past purchases, you can hide them from the default order history by archiving. This is a simple way to keep your main orders page tidy and add a bit of privacy without affecting your purchases, invoices, or returns. Start by visiting Amazon.com and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right of the page and open the Accounts and Lists menu. From there, choose your orders. This is your central dashboard for everything you've bought. Next, locate the order you want to hide. You can scroll through your recent activity or use the page's tools to narrow things down. When you find the item, look for the Archive Order option next to it. Select Archive Order, and that purchase will be moved out of the default order history view. Think of it like moving a file into a private folder. It hasn't been deleted, it's just stored out of sight so it's not front and center every time you open your orders. A quick note about what archiving does and doesn't do. Archiving hides an order from the main orders page, but it does not permanently delete it. You can still access it later, and all of the order's details remain intact. Your receipts, tracking information, and any warranty or return options stay the same. It's simply a visibility change to help you organize and reduce clutter. If you're working on a desktop and want to clean up multiple entries at once, there's an efficient way to do it from the same Your Orders page. Use the time filters to jump to a specific period, like past 3 months, or a specific year such as 2025. As those results load, review the list and archive any orders you no longer want to see in your default view. This approach makes it faster to clear out old purchases and batches without hunting through your entire history. Keep in mind that Amazon currently allows archiving up to 500 orders, which is plenty for most people organizing a long purchase history. That's all you need to know to keep your order history out of the default view. Sign in, go to Your Orders, find the purchase, and select Archive Order. Use the desktop filters when you want to move through larger chunks of time and archive multiple orders efficiently. Remember, archived orders are hidden, not deleted, and you can view them anytime if you need to revisit details later.